Turn Chat plus Canva into a 200-day business, no skills needed. What if I told you Chat and Canva could replace your 9-5 job? You don't need any experience. Just copy this method and start today. Freelancers are making $100 to $200 per day creating content for clients. But here's the trick, they're not even writing or designing anything themselves. They're using Chat and Canva. And today, I'll show you the exact steps, step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Go to Fiverr or Upwork, search for Instagram carousels, Pinterest pins, LinkedIn posts. See what sells. Step 2. Use Chat to generate content prompt. Write 5 Instagram carousel captions for a fitness coach targeting women in their 30s. Step 3. Design in Canva free account. Choose a template, paste Chat, save as PDF or N. Step 4. Offer services, create a Fiverr gig. I will design scroll-stopping Instagram carousels for your brand. Start at $20 per post, scale up with packages. Bonus tip, want clients faster? Offer the first design free. Or DM small creators with a sample. Land 5 clients a week and you're easily at $100 a month just using free air tools. Like this strategy? I break down a new AM money method every 2 days. Hit subscribe so you never miss one. And check the next video to learn how people are selling Chat-generated ebooks.